We love taking such good care of our faces, but what about the rest of our body? Beyond your face, your skin can also experience common skin problems, dryness, roughness, signs of aging, and ingrown hairs. If this sounds familiar, then help is at hand. The Medik8 Body Trio is a retexturing AHA system designed to help smooth the skin and keep it soft and hydrated. It is a 3-step kit containing a scrub, lotion and mitt. Not only will it treat the appearance of bumpy skin like keratosis pilaris, but it also targets ingrown hairs and uneven fake tan. It's a finely tuned combination of acids and physical exfoliators plus nourishing butters for optimised fast results. The cocktail includes high-strength urea, 12% lactic acid, 2% salicylic and an ultra-nourishment complex. Even better, it's really easy to use. So step 1, the smooth body scrub is rich and creamy and glides whilst gently exfoliating the skin. It's a dual action that combines mechanical exfoliants with chemical exfoliants to slough off that dead skin. Step 2, the smooth body mitt removes dry, flaky skin and gently unblocks the hair follicles, minimising the likelihood of keratin plugs forming. Ideal for the more stubborn areas such as the heels, elbows and areas of build-up of tan. It's great for travel and it's reusable and machine washable. And finally, the smooth body lotion locks in the moisture into the skin and dries really quickly for speedy dressing. It's a powerful trio of chemical exfoliators, mooring butter, squalene and hyaluronic acid. It loosens pore blockages and replenishes the skin surface and softens the keratin plugs. So using this 3-phase approach will have your body skin looking as good as your face. So please click on the link below if you would like to purchase this kit.